Lost in a brutal blizzard, a tiny penguin faced certain doom. Little Pip, barely old enough to waddle, was utterly alone. The storm swallowed his colony's calls, and fear crept into his heart. As despair threatened, a shadow fell. Towering above was a polar bear, a creature of legend. But this bear, with curious eyes, didn't seem menacing. It gently nudged Pip with its massive snout, a low rumble from its chest. Then, with surprising delicacy, the bear began to walk, looking back as if to say, "Follow me." Hesitantly, Pip waddled after his unlikely guide. Through swirling snow, the bear led him, a beacon of warmth. It navigated treacherous terrain, always keeping Pip close. Finally, as the storm abated, Pip heard it, the joyous squawks of his family. The bear had brought him home. Pip looked up at his rescuer, a silent thank you, before waddling into his mother's embrace.